Hello Josh and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and in this video I want to share with you information that you can use to boost the traffic to your website, attracting more customers and that can result in the growth of your company. The only thing that I ask in return is that you just give me your feedback towards the end of the video. So let's start with your website and your front page. I can see that you have the click to call button at the top, the links to the different services that you provide. You have a description of the company. Again, the services and the contact us form. Um, this video for some reason is not working, but yeah, something to have a look at. And then the information just to contact you. So in general terms, and links to the social media accounts over here. Overall, it's a well laid out front page and it's easy to navigate and easy to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, it has 2,000 words, a little bit over 2,000 words. And content is important because anything that you have in here, so the text, images and videos, all of it is considered content. And it's important, for example, if you have a look at, you don't have any pictures, but if you have pictures, just make sure that they are uploaded correctly so that when Google crawls your website, it can find those relevant keywords. So now let's have a look at two of your competitors. So these guys, Express Emergency Services, they have 1,995 words, and these guys, Express Water Damage Repair, Restoration, they have 908 words. So although they have less, for example, a little bit less, well, these ones have 1,000 words less, they are ranking at the top for one of the keywords. So it's important just to have a look at that content and make sure that the relevant keywords are sprinkled all over the website and the front page so that Google can find you for those keywords. And a bio intent keyword, so I came here to the Google search and I type in water damage restoration, Boca Raton, and the first thing that you're going to see is the Google ads, which are great to drive traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. And also some people just turn them off in their browsers. The second section is the GBP or Google Business Profile. And this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need pictures that are optimized and are geo-tagged. You need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, so responding to those reviews is a good idea. And you also need citations, which is basically to be listed on directories, such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile exactly. They have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify those details and grab one of these top 3 positions. And to rank at the top of this is the Google Organic Search. This is the third section. To rank here, first, two things need to happen. The website needs to be correctly built in terms of the amount of the content and the relevant content. And also you need something that is called backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Arifs. And in here I can see what are those keywords that your website is being found for and the backlink. So let's start with backlinks. A backlink is a link on an external website that is linking back or directing traffic towards your website. And it's the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant related to the searches that people are performing in their search engine. Now, if I have a look at Express Emergency Services, these guys have 2,009 backlinks in 156 referring domains, and these guys have 111 in 34 referring domains. So definitely an opportunity for improvement is just to have a look at that backlink profile just to make sure that you have not only more backlinks, but also relevant backlinks, which are those that are sitting on websites that are related to your services and to your industry so that Google can start regarding your website as an authority in the services that you provide. And in this case, we search for water damage restoration. Now, let's have a look at the organic keywords. Your website is being found for 4 organic keywords. In here, I can see what those keywords are. The volume tells me the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing in the Google organic search. So you can see here that your website is not in the top positions, therefore you are not able to drive any traffic to your website. If I have a look at Express Emergency Services, they are being found for 338 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see I have highlighted some of those keywords. And you can see that they are ranking in the top position. So for example, water damage restoration, Boca Raton, the search volume is 100, so 100 people are searching just for that particular keyword on any given month, and because they are in the first position, they were able to drive 21 visits to their website. Water damage restoration, Pompano Beach, first position, 60 searches per month, first position, 23 visits to their website. And basically, the message here is that you want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volumes, because then you want to maximize the number of times that your website is going to be in front of potential customers, because then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information and just boost the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me some feedback. My contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.